Hey guys, we're over here at my buddy Walter's house, and we're going to try this out on the grill, the Beam Bright plastic and vinyl restorer. We typically have the applicator that comes with the package, folks, but this kind of looks like a heavy-duty job, so we're going to give it some heavy-duty man muscle in this thing and see if we can restore this grill that's been outside exposed to just a little dab. We're going to rub it in over here. And automatically, right now, because this is a vinyl, rubber, plastic restored, also works on barbecue grills, vinyl, it'll work on wrought iron, as we're doing here right now. I just wanted to see the basic concept of this. That was just that little dab that we showed you, just on a little bar towel, not too much muscle in it. But now check this out, folks. Before and after, look at that. No residue, no stickiness, no tackiness. Before and after using the Beam Bright plastic and vinyl, even working on barbecue grills. Oh, this is going to be a fun project over here. But there you go, Beam Bright on Amazon.